Welcome to Review Rumble. The best sewing kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who enjoys crafting, mending clothes, or simply being prepared for unexpected sewing needs. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner, having a reliable sewing kit can save you time and frustration. In this video, we'll dive into the features and usability of a top-rated sewing kit, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Vellostar Mini Sewing Kit for Beginners. This mini sewing kit has everything you need to get started. It includes 12 color threads and over 75 essential accessories. It's perfect for everyday clothing repairs. Whether you need to mend your favorite outfit or make small alterations, this hand sewing kit is the solution. It's designed to be easy to use for beginners and professionals alike. The kit comes with elastic bands and a zipper case to keep all your sewing accessories neatly in one place. This helps you stay organized and makes it easy to find what you need. This compact sew kit makes a handy gift for anyone who loves to sew. It's great for college students, girls, birthdays, and Christmas. With this kit, you can quickly and affordably restore damaged garments. It's also a great way to teach kids real-life sewing skills while having fun. The kit includes sewing tools, threads, scissors, a thimble, buttons, threaders, a seam ripper, and sewing needles. It has everything you need for various sewing tasks. What we like? This kit is packed with over 75 essential accessories, making it a complete solution for any sewing task. It comes with an organized case with elastic bands and zipper to keep everything in place. If you are looking for a gift for someone who loves to sew or a college student, this kit is perfect for them, providing everything they need in a neat package. What people say. This kit is a great value for the money because of the contents of the kit. It contains tons of thread colors, many different types of needles, thimbles, scissors. If you are in need of a sewing kit to fix zippers, put a button back on your favorite coat, or any other types of mending projects, this is a great functional kit that I think you will find very useful. Very nice kit, large enough to fit everything needed for quick repairs away from home, but compact enough to be easily portable. This sewing kit is just what I was looking for, compact yet loaded with everything I need and then some. Number 4. Singer 01927 Travel Sewing Kit. Introducing the Singer 01927 Travel Sewing Kit. It's a compact kit perfect for quick fixes on the go. This kit is a must-have for any traveler. This sewing kit comes in a vibrant, translucent case. It's easy to spot in your bag and keeps everything organized. The case is durable and stylish. Inside, you'll find all the basic notions you need. It includes color threads, a tape measure, needles, and more. It has everything to handle small repairs. This kit is designed to be a staple in your travel bag or purse. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly useful. You'll be prepared for any sewing emergency. The kit contains a total of 27 pieces. It includes 10 colored threads, a tape measure, hand needles, safety pins, mini scissors, pins, a needle threader, and buttons. It's a comprehensive solution for your sewing needs. What we like? This kit is designed to be the perfect travel companion, fitting easily into any bag or purse. It includes all the basics for quick repairs on the go. If you are a frequent traveler or just need a kit for emergency fixes, this is the ideal choice, offering convenience and style in a compact package. What people say. Very durable, easy to use, perfectly sized for travel. I used it to repair my duffel bag. Works great when traveling or even keeping in your car for just in case. The variety offered in this set is why I chose it. Perfect size for a backpack or toiletry bag. It is perfect for sewing a small rip or button, etc. It doesn't take up much room in his bag and it is handy. Number 3. Singer Sewing Thread Set, 30 colors. This set includes 30 assorted colors of high-quality polyester thread. Each spool offers 50 yards of vibrant color, along with needles and a threader. It's everything you need to get started. This thread pack is optimized for both machine and hand sewing. It's suitable for a wide range of projects, from mending clothes to creating home decor. You'll find it incredibly useful. Singer polyester sewing thread is crafted for durability and strength. This all-purpose thread ensures your projects will last. You can rely on it for all your sewing needs. The 30-piece assortment provides a broad palette of colors. It gives you creative freedom and is more valuable than buying individual spools. This is your go-to thread for any project. The set comes with a durable plastic storage case. It's perfect for storing your supplies or taking them on the go. It keeps everything organized and easy to access. What we like. This set offers a wide array of 30 thread colors, perfect for any project. The thread is made from durable polyester, ensuring your stitches last. If you are looking for a comprehensive thread set for both hand and machine sewing, this kit provides the variety and quality you need. What people say. The wide array of colors is great, just the thing when a button falls off or a skirt needs the hem fixed. The needles and threader are taped inside the lid. This box of thread is great to use with my small sewing machine. I don't have to go upstairs every time I want to change thread color. The variety of colors is really nice. Every color I can think of is in a nice plastic storage box. Comes with a few needles and a threader, perfect for small projects or just to have around for fixing things. Number 2. Coquimbo Sewing Kit, ideal gift for everyone. Looking for a great gift? This sewing kit is perfect for travelers, mothers, grandmothers, and even beginners. It's suitable for both men and women, and it's something everyone can use. This kit has everything you need for basic sewing tasks. It includes thread, needles, scissors, and more, all neatly organized. It's a dorm room essential for anyone who needs it. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit is easy to use. You can handle small repairs yourself, saving time and money. It makes life easier. All the accessories are secured in a zippered case. Its compact design makes it easy to carry. You can keep it in your bag for emergencies. You can use this mini kit with your child. Teach them to make handicrafts and unleash their creativity. Enjoy some happy family time together. What we like. This kit is a wonderful gift for anyone, from beginners to experienced sewers. It includes all the essential tools for basic repairs and is compact enough to take anywhere. If you are looking for a thoughtful and practical gift for a traveler or someone who enjoys crafting, this kit is an excellent choice, offering convenience and versatility. What people say. This sewing kit is incredibly convenient thanks to its small size, easy to store and carry wherever I need it. Despite being compact, it has everything I need to make repairs to my clothes, from needles and thread to scissors and other essentials. The quality of the items is solid, and it's perfect for quick fixes at home or on the go. Number 1. ARTIKA 94 PCS Sewing Kit. This kit has everything you need for basic repairs and travel. It includes a variety of thread colors, needles, scissors, and more. It's a complete solution for your sewing needs. The kit is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. The thread is strong and the scissors are easy to handle. You can quickly and easily complete your sewing tasks. The needles are safely stored, and other items are secured with elastic straps. This compact design makes it perfect for travel. It's small enough to fit in your desk, suitcase, or backpack. Use this kit to sew clothes, toys, or create DIY projects with your kids. It's easy to replace buttons, fix seams, or mend hems. The kit makes sewing fun and accessible. This sewing kit is a great gift for anyone who enjoys sewing or needs a quick fix. It's perfect for mothers, students, travelers, and anyone who appreciates a practical and thoughtful present. They will love it. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for basic repairs and is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. The needles are kept safely in a closed box. Other items are secured with elastic straps. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use sewing kit for home or travel, this is the perfect solution, offering convenience and safety in one package. What people say. The color selection was good. The accessories were very handy, and I thought the needle quality was acceptable. The carrying case was well organized and handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.